Studies show that the training, or degree, of parents is not an important factor in the success of homeschooled children. More essential than a degree or a college diploma is your concern, commitment, and eagerness to give your child the best kind of education that he or she deserves. The fact that almost all homeschool parents are not professional teachers, they should select a curriculum that best suits the child's learning style, capacity, and needs. The qualities of an efficient and effective teacher vary, however, they should possess good character, display enthusiasm in teaching, and have dedication to work with their children. Here are some guidelines to help you become the best teacher for your child. 1. Choose the curriculum for your child well. Make certain that you recognize the goals defined by a certain curriculum. Examine it to determine if the goals match those defined by your state as standard for each level, as well as if it matches your child's learning style and capabilities. 2. Be prepared. Study the curriculum well so that you are well educated when you teach your child. 3. Determine your child's learning style. It is only through proper determination of your child's learning style that you can effectively teach him or her. Note that there are children who learn well visually, so in this case, reading and videos can be a better teaching tool. Some are listeners, in such cases, music, reading to them out loud, and humming their mathematic tables can be a better method of teaching. 4. Be creative. Homeschool instruction doesn't have to be a one-way kind of teaching. Encourage your child to ask questions so you both can discuss the subject matter in a way that the child does not only listen and get information from you, but that your child is actively explaining and expressing their own opinion or views. 5. Be understanding. When you feel that your child is having difficulties on a certain subject, give them time and guidance. By asking them what they find difficult, you can both work on a plan, as well as have enough time to solve the problem. Understand that children are not robots who easily absorb information. Allow them to have their shortcomings. 6. Recognize that above all, you are a parent. Parents do what's best for their children. Following your instinct as a mom will make you the best teacher for your child. And it comes naturally. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.